Wow, there's a new Zelda movie? And it's made by Studio Ghibli? It's fan made, isn't it? Hey YouTube, what's up? And I just came across the fan made Zelda movie called Castletown, and it's made by a absolutely dedicated fan called Rwanlink or Rwanlink, I would go with. While I am nothing against fan animated content or fan animated movies of my favorite properties from childhood, as you can see last year's video on the Dragon Ball Z fan-made movie, I always have a bit of skepticism anything fan-made for Nintendo properties, because I'm a major fan of anything Nintendo. It was basically engulfed my entire childhood growing up, and so I've seen a lot of, while technically good and well-made fan-made properties, all of them never seem to necessarily capture that special magic that Nintendo normally brings out with their own work. But this one I see, this feels a bit different, a bit more special, and I just especially love that it basically seems that even though it's fan-made, interesting style and artwork of this particular animator is shining through more. It doesn't seem like, oh, I'm a copycat of Nintendo trying to do something like that. It seems as it could be its own work. Of course, it's based on the Legend of Zelda, and just look at young Link run here, and just look at the art style. It is gorgeous. It may not be the smoothest animation ever, but it's absolutely gorgeous. So I have to say, keep up the good work, Rwanlink. This is the full video, or the full movie will be coming out November 21st, and I will be one of the first people there to watch it when it arrives. For the full teaser trailer, you can check it out on his page, will be in the description section. And for anything else, including the Dragon Ball Z fan-made movie I just showed you, you can click right here, or otherwise keep it locked right here at Blue Christian Studio.